Hello guys, welcome back to Lucas Garage for another video. In this video we're gonna work in this 2012 Toyota Camry. We're gonna put new brakes, rotor pads. The car is already in jack stands already, so we're gonna remove the wheels first. Taking the wheel first, we're gonna use a 21mm socket. We're gonna remove it and start working on the brakes. So let's get it. So let's go remove this wheel right now. We're gonna use a 22mm socket. We'll put this wheel away. We're gonna start for the rear driver side. So we're gonna use a 14mm to remove this ball right there. This ball right here and this ball right here is a 14mm. So let's go push it out. So now we're gonna remove the bottom one. We're gonna take this cap out. So let's go use a flat screwdriver. There you go. So now we're gonna open it a little bit. So when we're gonna compress the pistons for the brake, it's gonna take out a little bit of brake fluid, and that's completely normal. So that in that way the fluid cannot go back again to the reservoir. So for this type of job we recommend to put like a bucket underneath, so to catch all the fluid, all the brake fluid, all the stuff. So now we can remove this. So we're gonna take this hub right here. We're gonna put it in the side, so we're gonna protect the line. So while we hang this over here, we're gonna screw the bleeder right here, the brake line. So we're gonna do that. Put the bucket underneath, and now we're gonna compress those pistons. Now we're gonna use this tool from Icon. It's gonna be nice. I'm gonna put it over here, and we're gonna compress the piston. I don't know if you guys can see it. So we're compressing the piston, and you see the brake fluid getting out. So that means that brake fluid don't go back again to the reservoir and get more contamination to the brake reservoir. So we already finished this part right here. So now we're gonna close that line, that bleeder line. I'm gonna close it real quick. Now we're gonna use that 8mm to close it. so we can use brake cleaner. So now we're gonna remove the parts. You just move it like this, remove the other one, two, and we're putting aside, and now we're gonna remove the rest of the coupler. So now we're gonna use a 17mm socket to remove the bolts from behind. So that's how you remove the coupler, and now we are to remove all this stuff. I'm gonna clean it real good and remove the rotor. So let's go clean the coupler here too. So to remove this, I'm gonna use a flat screwdriver to remove this. So we're gonna use this brush. So now we remove the rotor. Now we're gonna clean the wheel hub. So we're gonna use this special brush. We wanna clean it. So now we finished cleaning the wheel hub, and now we're gonna install the new rotor. So now we're gonna clean the rotor a little bit, because sometimes it comes with the oil from the factory. So we're gonna spray a little brake cleaner. Clean with a towel. I'm gonna go for the rear side. So now we're going to install it. So that's the new rotor look like. We got this rotor kit set from the forward stop. We got the evolution pads, and let's go put the rest of the capillaries and put the brake pads, and we're almost done with this one. So we're gonna start the rover. Put grease on the pin. There you go. Same process with the other pin. So we're gonna put grease. This one, by the way, is synthetic grease. We got it from O'Reilly's. So remember to put the pin with the rover. We want to put it over here on the bottom. It goes only on the bottom, don't go here on the upper. So now we're going to install the 17mm bolts from Caliper. So we already installed the Caliper with the hardware. So now let's go to put the pads. This one is our for Power Stop Z17 ceramic pads. Now we're gonna put grease on the pads, so we don't wanna hear that squeezy noise when you brake. You know, it's kind of irritating sometimes. Just be careful with the rotors. Don't put them on the rotors. So let's go put it in the other side too. And now let's go put back the rest of the caliper. In here. There. So it's gonna be 14mm bolt. So now we're gonna torque the caliper brake up to 79 feet of torque. So now we're gonna torque the caliper bolts here at 25 feet of torque. So it's gonna be 25. There you go. Another one here too. There you go, 25 feet of torque. Now that's the way I do, or you can do, the real brake job on the 2012 Toyota Camry. So let's go finish the other side, and later we're gonna start on the front ones.